Whether you are newly divorced or you've been divorced for some time, do you dread the festive season? Hi, I'm Simon Nippenaar and I'm a family lawyer. How do you navigate the challenges of shared care and contact at this time of the year? If you celebrate Christmas, you and your ex-spouse may both want to spend Christmas Day with your child. Unless you have an unusually friendly relationship with the other parent, this is unrealistic, particularly if you have new partners and possibly stepchildren. Hopefully you have a parenting plan. Even in amicable divorces, this is a worthwhile tool. In it, you describe arrangements such as shared care, school pickups, emergency procedures, and holidays. The festive season is the most emotionally charged holiday on the calendar, so it deserves special attention. Disputes can arise even with the most thorough parenting plan. Yours may stipulate that the children will spend every other Christmas with you, or you may share the holiday, in which case the children spend Christmas Eve or Christmas Day with one parent and Christmas Day or Boxing Day with the other. Perhaps you need a break and you want to take your child away for all of the Christmas week. How do you go about navigating this? I recommend you talk to your ex before mentioning it to your child. It is unfair to raise the child's expectations until you have discussed it with your co-parent. Be prepared to give something in return. Perhaps offer the Easter break as a compromise. And be willing to give them the same consideration if they make a similar request next year or some other time. A lot depends on how flexible the relationship has been to date. If you honor reasonable requests from your ex, they are more likely to agree to yours. If you have refused to budge on arrangements, they may be less willing to accommodate your request now. The festive season should be a time the children enjoy, not a time for them to feel torn between parents. The most important factor in any negotiations is the best interests of the child. If taking your child away from the other parent at this emotional time of year is going to cause distress or upset, don't do it. Your children may be perfectly happy to divide their time between parents and may think they are lucky to have 2 Christmases. But they may consider each celebration special in its own way and not want to miss out. Often the biggest victims of divorce are not the children, but the grandparents. Most parents put their children first in the divorce proceedings, but often overlook grandparents. A child's relationship with grandparents is very special. Even if you and your ex can barely speak to each other, try to allow room in the holiday schedule for your child to spend time with grandparents and family members on both sides. Remember, children are raised by a village. My law firm, SD Law, has extensive experience helping couples navigate the challenges of co-parenting post-divorce. I can help you develop a workable parenting plan, just as I've helped many other parents. Call me on the number in the signature below to discuss your case in confidence.